Welcome back. Now my PC will take a little bit of time to boot up, so Seri is coming. Great. And I should have left off by doing part 2 of day 12. And I also figure that I'm overcomplicating my life quite a bit. There's no need for that. Okay, Firefox is still doing its part. So the calc sites, as of now, I thought myself, I'm gonna just look over it once again. But that doesn't make any sense, honestly, because I can, at the end of the day, just check the corners. And I believe I'm gonna do that. So this is a pretty pinned, this is the calc site. Now calc site, we're just gonna take our chords, the reference to our chords. Great. So it works. Now the starting fence, I don't care, because it's because I'm fencing up, so that's not a big deal. I should have every single so let count equals 1, and we return the count, rather 0. Great. Meaning everything that's over here should print. So if I do for chord in chords, print my farm of chords dot 0 and chord dot 1, that's 0 because I want to see the string. We can remove the thread for a second. Okay, I already did. And we can run it up. I should be printing only dashes, which I don't. Bad. Not run with backtrace. Okay, this was my intended panic. All right. Then I should only. Right, that's interesting. That will explain a kind of bit of the troubles that I have. I think my chords should. Yeah, let's split our fence. Let mutable fence. It's going to be vec few sides and u sides. Right. Actually, I can just simply say that's a vec. Great. Then we can do all of this and F to avoid confusion. And we can extend the fence with my non-neighbors, which are pieces of fence. Well, this is an ether, so should be fixing all of my problems. Great. Now, instead of the chords, I'm just gonna leave here with the fence. Because honestly, all I want to do is, yes, go about the fence. Very well. Now, speaking of the fence, theoretically speaking, I can just one by one see if I have a corner, and a corner would be defined. By the way, let's see how I. Yes, it's still day 12. Great. So the thing about a corner is that one corner shall always be of 4 possibilities, right? Now, if this is 0, 0, corner, my left corner would be a -1. Actually, not. I think I'm a little confused by this. Okay, if this is 0, 0, I'm getting 1 back, so it's 0 minus 1. And in this case would be -1, 0. So second corner we go -1, 0 again, and 0, 1. Then we're moving down 1, so that's our 1, 0. And a 0, 1. And finally, this would be again a 1, 0. Which now I realize I'm very stupid because this is how it would be. Okay, so 0, -1, -1, 0. 1, 0, and 0, 1. I should say +1. Okay, then I can check each couple of corners. If there is even one of these, I should add up one of the conditions. So fairly trivial. I think I can just write it in the loop because there's not any merit to say to get a different function. So let's check it up. To make it either simpler, I could just subtract them on the get-go. Well, it's not, again, it's not a big difference. But I can take the current point and say let cur equals to farm of chord dot 0 chord dot 1 dot 0. Okay, so we have here our character. Of course, we can iterate it so it doesn't bother me. Cannot move out of index strike will move of course because do I have type string doesn't mean copy. Sure about that. Well, I can clone it. It's not a big deal. Anyway, of course, we will check if cur is equal to farm so since we are reusing it, it's probably going to be better to name them. So this will be up, and we said that up is -1. -1 and 0. Good. Left would be an epsilon -1. Right would be an epsilon +1. And down would be a +1 on the x axis. Sounds about right. So these are my strings. Now, if cur is equal to up and left, then count ++. Oh, my bad. Keep forgetting. Is there any reason that why does Rust not have plus plus. Such thing as going so there's no pressing need for a shortcut. Well, doesn't sound like a very fast way to get it. So this is immutable, my bad. Okay, so we will check up left, then we will check up right. We will check left down, and we'll check down right. Now, if any of these have anything, that would be a corner. Then, as by math should be correct, every corner, there are as many corners as there are sides, I guess. That's me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. Okay. Then I should see like about 4 over here. So let's print it out. This is sides, right? So print up sides. Going to be sides since it's just a U side, so should work nicely. So 12 sides, which feels about right. This is an E. To be like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Great. If I happen to run also on the other problem, would be 4. Yeah. Very well. Then our sum could be initialized over here. And I can simply say instead of having sides, I can just simply say sum plus equal calc sides. And we run it up. And these are 20 sides. Actually, I'm not summing sides, so back the fuck up. That's not what we're trying to do. We should be simes times perimeter. I don't even remember the text anymore. Says an area of 17 and 12 sides. Okay, no, it's area times sides, which is okay. I don't remember what did I do. Is the chords should be holding the area, so it's chords dot len. What the fuck was it? And what was this? So perimeter 0 sum plus equal times plot 1 dot len. Oh yes, I have plots. So chords in plots. Yeah, I named it chords, but it should be like a plot. Okay, so I can just take the plots len and times sides and be done with it. In which case our sum is plus equal sides times plot dot len minus 1 plot len. Don't need the minus 1. So here is 2, 3, 6, which is correct. Let's try our input over here. 1200. Didn't see that coming. Is it because... Well, time to debug. So I'm gonna remove some pretty prints because that's okay. Very well. And I'm gonna print out sides times like beforehand. It would be print. We're gonna need the type here. I'm gonna give the type the sum equals, what's this? 17 sides. Well, I'm gonna try one and then see. Times that, and we would want to write here the plot dot, so the plot dot 0 dot 0, which will give us basically the type. We can even make a colon over here. Then we would add sides times plot dot len, followed by sides and plot dot len. And let's see, is this a print new line? Yes, it is. Run. All right, then it's going to be 0, 1, 3. That's not. Oh, right, I should be using the plot to get the letter. So it would be farm plot dot 0 plot dot 1. Plot 0 dot 0 plot 1 dot 1 plot 0 dot 1. String bool, of course, so it's dot 0 again. Okay, so we have an a b, and a b once more. It includes two regions full of type plant B, each 4 sides, and a single region full type A with 4 sides. Full of type A, 4 sides on the outside, and 8 more on his own sides of the side, a total of 12 times. Wait. Some from before, now has the update. Okay, let's use the example right away. And we'll have a better look. All right, so gonna copy like last time to help visibility. Gonna remove everything that's not in the plant. So 4 times 40. So my R side, no, that's not the sample one. So my I is 4 by 4, that won't help. 12 sides. Okay. This would be like 1, 2, 3. So 1 side, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What's. So I should. Just 2 C's, yes. Okay, let's work out the one that's working. So C is correct. R it isn't, is 2 off. Interesting. Now I is 4 times 8, which I'm. Wait. How is that? What am I painting beforehand? So it's sides and then len. Okay, but the sides are being done correctly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. Okay, no, this is the area. 4, 12. Okay. Plot that one, that len. The fuck is plots? Okay, so this is a back. Yes. Okay, what are my plots? So hashmap of string. Okay, I have the string right away, and it should be just plot.len. Excuse me, sometimes it... Okay, the len is 0, but the index is 6. Oh, my bad, I wrote this down. Okay, so my R is still 20. Area is 12. That's okay. I have area on the left, so let's move this around a little. It should look the same. It isn't. But because, of course, it needs to be times equal. Now, let's take a look. Can I order alphabetically? Curious. Well, that's amazing. Right then. Looks like I missed a... Looks like there's one more C. So C is wrong. And there's one more here. And E is also wrong. Yeah, I see. So the lens are indeed fine. Excuse me, where is one of the C's? Oh, I actually already removed it. My bad. Okay, so we were saying. Now the eyes is 4, but my solution cell there should be 8 sides. Should there be 8 sides? it because we're counting both the inside and outside sides? Well, that actually gets me fucked up. Hold up a second. Because two regions full B and a region full of A, which has 4 sides on the outside and 4 more sides on the inside, a total of 12 sides. Oh no. Oh no. Man, gotta say, this is not fun. So my B has, wait, 4 times 3. Sorry, what in the... Right, that would count also as a corner, but it isn't. Well, very well. That's unfortunate, so my algorithm doesn't work for shit. Marvelous. And plus, I count 42 sides of A, which there should be 16. Oh wait, the 4 outside would be... Still overcounting by a lot. Yeah, corner-wise won't make any sense anymore. Actually, I should be cornering based on the... God damn it. Same fun, chief. So, this one also has adjacent stuff. So this will be 4, this will be 4, and the last one will be 4. But I'm getting 42. Oh yeah, because of the ace. So this one would also mean that's a corner, which it isn't. So I should be checking if I have 2 fences rather than if they're equal. So if up is equal to a fence, let's make it instead of current. Well, current at this point is useless. So let's rename it to fence. Let's make fence equal to the fence. To string, my guys, to string, please. Okay, so this should solve some problems. Okay. Now, very well. Also, the fencing algorithm should be able to detect. I could be checking if it's not inside my plot to draw it. Basically, draw everything that's not inside my plot. That should work better. So this is get plots. Get not neighbor improved. Wait, this didn't fix my 42 fences. Why? Yeah, it's 4 and a couple of 4s. I would expect it to be less, not more, right? Should check what it's counting as a fence. So print, this is a fence, I guess. So okay, let's be a little bit less funny. Up left, down right, up right. So down right on 1 makes sense to me. Wait, 1 1. What should be this one? 3 5. Oh, if this counts as 1 2 3 4 5. Wait, I'm counting twice. 3 5 thrice, 4 times. Chama! Oh, I should continue. Still so many. Pesce! 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 Pesce surgelato! No! Wait, how am I seeing downright twice? Is it because it's not unique in the coordinate stuff? I can clean it up quite quickly. Let's print out our coordinates beforehand. Okay, 4, 4. Yeah, it's not unique. Rust remove non elements from back. Is there any function that helps me with that? I don't believe there is. Right, when I get my plots, somewhere there's a function that gives me the plots. Yeah, well, let's clean it up. Shouldn't take that much. It's not beautiful, but whatever. I mean, I can just check. This should be done only if there isn't any more any kind of function of that. But can't I just make it a tuple? Rust from back to tuple. I believe that tuples are unique elements. Let's try. Let's see a look. In Python, I would tuple it up. So calc sites here. So let tmp equals chords dot tuple. Okay, so it's going to be iter. Iter collect super1, so it should be collect tuple. Not quite sure why I have it doubled up, but whatever. Yeah, it will be here. Like, can I just say if plot dot if doesn't plot dot contains x y yj borrow it. Oh my god. Nope. And it would be the same here. No, 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 no. Should push here Gabor. Yes. So Sam is what? What the fuck? No, that's not it. Most certainly not. I guess I'm cleaning it up over here for some reason. Probably don't quite know what reason it is, but looks like I can't just clean it up there. I can clean it up over here. Not a problem. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna make it stupid. If already done, that contains a chord. Continue. Else I done that push chord. Let's see how this works. Deref it. Deref it. Actually, don't deref this. Okay, that 360 is the correct one. Pretty sure it is. It'll be 28 times 12. Very close. Oh, right. The tree incident. Now, this is just a silly mistake on my part when I draw the shadow bound upon false. Yes, because I draw everything. I draw precise the stuff around it because my not neighbors just checks that they are different, but that's not it, right? And that's not enough. It should just not be part of the plot. This is a bigger problem, actually. Yeah, because I missed precisely 4. Yeah, this would be a little bit more annoying because yeah, not good stuff, not good. So let's take a look at our get not neighbors, but get not neighbors. Get not neighbors improved. So the improved version will check everything and see if this is fine or not. At this point, giving the vec is basically useless. Giving the farm is basically useless because I'm not gonna check the elements, but I can check my plot. So instead of this, I'm gonna check the plot, which is a vec of use sides. Very well. And what I want now to check if my current coordinate is contained in my plot. How do I? Vim RSP. Good. Jump to definition reference gr. Oops. Excuse me, what? Implementation type undefined all symbols in the current document. Not this. There you go. That's how you do it. Anyway, instead of getting my padding, I'm just gonna give my plot. Great. Now chords shouldn't be +2 anymore because I don't care. Okay, it's better if they're correct, I guess. Yes. And get non-neighbor. Improved version over here. On the wrong price. Okay, so the improved version over here, this one, we'll just simply check if it's in there. Just gonna put the fence. And now this function is basically useless. Alright, boys, welcome back. How you doing, man? This entire function is garbage now. Very well. Yeah, I don't even need this. Okay, you. I am suffering in day 12 of Advent of Code, so everything fine. Thanks. Yeah, I don't even need this anymore. Oops, not the pretty print. To make you catch up, basically I should be counting, I don't know if you took a look at day 12, but I should be counting the sizes of drawing in a matrix. Sì, grazie. And that would be like say this plot here, right? To count the sizes of this, my program at the moment basically would this is my line. I draw the perimeter around it, and then I count the corners. So this will give me how many sides, and I multiply that to the area, and should give me part 2. Right now I'm having a little bit of troubles, but today is going great. I see that when I do these puzzles, like takes me a while. So after 1.5, I'm so fried that I'm not going to understand anything. Yeah, maybe I should keep it the function here. Yeah, I should keep it. And I should check that if the coordinate that I'm trying to put doesn't work. So this coordinate over here. So if plot, if there's not in my plot this coordinate, now this feels like sì, va bene, io finisco qua, poi mi metto a pulire. Okay then. And this looks like a macro. This is 100% a macro. So my macro should be starting here. And it will be yank internal this. Rather not. Okay, so macro start here. Change till squarely. Plot doesn't contains at yank internal this. Paste it before. Close it up. Go in normal mode. Skip some lines. Q. Now this works, so goddamn I love him. VS Code indeed can't do this. I wonder if there's some way to automate this kind of behavior from Rust, but I don't think I don't believe there is. Anyway, this should fix my. This does not fix anything. This makes it so much worse. Why? How am I out of bounds? The neighbor padding maybe not needed. So get not neighbors. What is that crashes? 76. Oh, my calc sides are fucked up. I'm suffering on day 4. Fair enough. Everyone has different types of suffering. I don't even remember what day 4 is. But I remember that there are some suffering in the latest days. I'm gonna keep this here open. You made me wonder. Oh yes, Xmas part 1 is the devil. Yeah, part 1 is hard. Took a while. Part 2, no spoilers, part 2 is very easy. Part 1 is the devil. I did a crazy solution. If you're overly stumped, I believe that mine is one of the less. I think it's very simple, but it's sounds difficult, but it's simpler to write than to explain. Okay, let's say what is going on here. So the len is 10, but the index is overflowing. confused on how can I be overflowing. Is it because my fence... Let's print out the farm. Gotta go. See you later. Happy Sunday. See you around, man. Okay, what's out of bounds here? Where is that going? Not very happy with that. I also destroyed some ace. So that's not good. Yeah, that's not great at all. I'm off in some bizarre ways, as per usual. Yeah, what's going on here? And again. I'm gonna plus 2 it out of curiosity, but that means that it simply won't work. Yeah. About right. What the fuck is even this? Definitely not plus 2 it. So my coordinates are part of the plot. I guess I'm plus 2ing everything at this point. How about I plus 2 what I return? Because yeah, that's the big deal. Have to plus 2 all of this. Because my coordinates used to be that. So not a big deal. That's going to be like a dot 0, 0. That's going to be a dot 0 plus 2. And same with 1. Wait a minute, I'm dumb as fuck. Again, let's make a macro for this. So f0 a plus 2, f1, oh no. Okay, back it up. QQ f0, so that's a plus 2. Then we go all the back and we t1 plus 2. Then we go over here. This should work. Yes, it does. Very well, run it up. And that's a 3, 6, 8, indeed. Very well. Let's try the big boy and see what's going on here. Nope, this big boy here. That's 190. So we are getting closer. We can remove the pretty print. Maybe GR. Okay, I need to better to improve this shortcut, but it's very useful. Okay, back to business. What more edge cases can we gather today? Let's pop it up. Let's get it here. So this is part 1. Very well. Sort. And sort. So C, doing great. E is done. F, it isn't. I isn't. So I gathered a simple case of I. J is done. M works great. R is done. Okay. So basically we are left with CFI. Now my F, I undercount everything. From my calculator is area times size. Yeah, so obviously the sides isn't working. I'm 3 sides short on the first C. Let's take a look at the C. Okay, then. That would mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's interesting. It's too short on the F. Maybe F is easier to look. So that'll be 1, 2, 3, 4. This is one side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Looks like 10 to me. Where is the 12 precisely going on? Because this is, so we have 2 outer spaces, like that's a 2. Then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right. Let's pretty print this, but only if our type is F. This way is cleaner. So if farm, if farm of core.0, core.1, dot 0. Isn't that 0? Oh. Oh, my bad. Plot 0.0. Plot 0.0 and plot 0 this is F. Okay. There you go. So we were saying, right, the corner won't work here because we have like this is one corner, but it has a lot of sizes. So corners won't work out in the F category. Yeah, because we're counting. So that's a 1. That's a 2. That's okay. And in this case, by the way, it's, yeah, this is already counted as a corner. Right, so I just discovered, but this is not a good solution. Yeah, because F can be 2 corners. I wonder if I fix this solution to check every time, does it improve? It doesn't. Because I did a lot of continuous, but that wasn't the problem in my logic, so by the same account, this should at the very least help out. Good. Okay, this help out. I'm guessing I hit the double corner over here. Now the problem is the one-liner. This one-liner over here. I can manually fix it by just checking, by just adding ones, because I'm already hitting. By the way, does this fix my I? Close. Does I have the similar problem? Because my guess, yes, that's my edge case. And C has also similar problem. I would say that the stupidest way in which I can make it work, it would be simply to check if there is one fence. But in this kind of situation, I'm just gonna add one. What's my C situation? I don't see any more C's. Why? What before? Oh, it's about here. So my C situation, yeah, it's gotten better. Which means I can check if basically for every possible fence, I can just linearly take a look that if for every possible fence there is, but it's still going to fall in a corner, right? Because at the end of the day, this is indeed a corner. So I can check if any fence, up, down, and left, has three corners of my value from the farm, then that means that this is an edge case that I should be checking. So that would look like this. Edge case. Now we're gonna pass the farm again. Farm awesome. Back off. What is it every time? At this point. No, not get the neighbors. Guess I can get plots. Edge cases. But wait, I can just, like, there is, this one is basically it. Yeah. So edge cases. Right, so I can just return 1 if I see this edge case. And instead of coordinates, I'm gonna give, yeah, the coordinates and one specific coordinate. But if I give him up, down, and up, down, left, and right, the only fear of mine is to not check it twice. Because let's say, like in this situation, I'm gonna check it twice. But I'm just gonna see what edges are checked. Yeah, so this is my coordinates. I don't think I need the coordinates. I just need the farm and 1 coordinate. Chord. It's quite edge actually. Okay. And in my case, my age should have 3 out of 4 of these. Okay, so I'm gonna always write up, up, down, left. Yeah, because I don't need to check the corners again. So up, down, and left, which thank God I already did a little. Back to chord, I guess. Very well. And I'm going to, I would probably, I just push them into an array. It's a bit simpler. Yeah, let's code, I guess. So let commute corner case. It should be a back. And all of these goodies should going to be like change till F, and this is going to be A. Nah, can be as easy like that. So remove this please. Corner A dot push corner case dot push value, and we delete push move. Delete this. Delete this. God damn it. Very well. For case in corner case. Okay. Now so that we are the letter, which would be, can just pass the letter. So letter is going to be a string. Let count equals 0. If letter is equal to case, count plus plus. Plus equals 1. Sorry, last. If count more than 3, Okay, by default, let's return 0. No, it's okay. Cannot update count, mute. If count is more than 3, we get 1, else we get 0. Very simple. Now in our function here, we're going to take and the count is plus equal edge cases. We take the farm out, take the chords, okay, and the letter which shall be, we already have the reference, consider the referencing, brother, say less. And the letter would simply be farm.chord.0, chord.1.0. This is a letter. Cannot move out of index. Yeah. So expect a string, found string. Rather say less. Okay, my edge case doesn't do tick. Concerning. But by the way, I already also noticed that it is incorrect. And my C keeps disappearing. Well, interesting. So my F, by the way, is fucked up for some reason. Yeah, C is up to 20, which is not good. And do I fucked up some of the others? It doesn't look like it. Anyway, so F is overgrown, C is getting close, and I is overgrown. Great. And by great, I mean shit. Does this make any sense to see? Still 20. Oh well. So the run is getting me wrong. Why? It should be 1, 2. Oh, because it should be 3, 4 then. No. This is 1, 2, 1, 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Am I double checking something that I shouldn't be double checking it? Goddamn, we're so close. I just want to get this to work somehow, some way. So my F is overgrown. Also, my I is overgrown. Does I give me any idea to why? Because I should have one side, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait, it's 16. No, I is not overgrown. So I is good. Wait. I'm getting confused. This is mine. So I'm just gonna take mine. Correct. Okay. I'm not hitting the case. I'm back on track. Not hitting the case because something's not working with my intended, my new big boy edge cases. First off, check my letter. That's an easy check. There you go. Easy as that. So it appears that my coordinates are not, because the sides would only work on fences. Sounds correct? So I'm gonna just pass the letter here and be done with it. No need to get smarter than that. My letter is going to be a string. And we will just give this stupid ass code. And then, are you happy? Give me vec plot, come on. Are you stupid? No, wait, this has to work. Got to move out of index of vec bool. Of course, because value has string doesn't implement copy date. I guess to string it will copy it. Fine. That's okay with me. I'm fine cloning a letter. Okay, so the letter looks like has been. Okay, so how is F now? Still fucked up. God damn it. How's my C doing? 14 times 20. So nothing, huh? Is it because of my coordinate? Yeah, it's probably because of my coordinate. To check every coordinate, right? Am I not checking every coordinate over here? Actually, probably not. No, I do. Let's print this coordinate, just to be sure. This won't work, right? Brother. I can print my cases, that sounds fun. I can count, I can count, I can fucking count. Okay, we are getting terribly close, eh? To my pretty print. Can shut the fuck up. Okay. Am I printing letters still? Okay, actually, no, that's good. Alright, then. Let's take a look at C. So, C is close. F is done. And I is done. So the C has some problems. So there's one more corner case here. That's interesting. Why would there be one more corner case? We got up to 21. Why does that even has to be like that? Well, 22, and I'm finding 21. Which means I'm short of 14. I guess I'm printing out. At this point, I'm just printing out the coordinates because I don't quite know which one it want to be. So that's 1, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Okay. Let's print it out to see what's the going on over here. Perhaps I get some inspiration of 2y. Okay, not F, but C. Perhaps it's getting drawn badly. Doubt it, but okay, there you go. So my C looks amazingly well done. Like if I count the corners here, so let's go one by one. Actually, let's take it inside the Ida. Be easier. Okay, so that's 1, that's 2, that's 3 and 4. Which wait. Oh, 1. So this is the problem, right? 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8. No, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, even I am not getting everything. I think I'm losing this, right? This is one of the edge cases. Okay. 5. Like, even isn't this isn't even 20. 1 second. Let's do this. 1, 2. Okay, maybe this is easier. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Looked at 19 to me. I can't even see 21. Again. So, god damn it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Is there some corner inside? No, it isn't. I'm stunned. I do not see how are these 22. Here, I do not see even how is this 21. Even if I count by my rules, so it would be 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. I don't even get to there. And of course I had 1 plus this is one of these edges. Like the only difference that I see from the other ones, I believe that would be such a corner. I'm counting them over here. Man, but if I can count correctly, I don't see how I even get this exercise. Dude, So that's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Honest to God, I see 18 corners. There's something I'm missing. How is this 22? Like, is this even the correct input? Like, that's the only way that I'm understanding it in a different manner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19, 20. I got up to 20 here. Yes, I believe I got up to 20 even here. What are the sites that I'm not considering? I'm gonna go on Reddit. Carta igienica. Decorazioni e basta. Qual è? Ok. Like, is there any way that this makes sense? I count 20. I don't see... Can see the edge case if I can see the case in point. Like, seriously. Okay, so my trick of the corner is the same that... in one direction, but find the direction. Like, I'm gonna feel like a mad person if I count once more these corners. Is it because this gets a double up? If I go back, is this a double up? It isn't. Right? Shouldn't be. I guess it is because it touches on that. So if I say that logic, so it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wait, is this a 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Still isn't enough. That's still not good. But might be my problem. I think the definition is, so all of these are okay. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. So since there are two of these, will be then 8, 9, 10, then 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Still missing an edge case. Well, at least I got to where my algorithm stands, so That's good. Is there anything that goes back? No, this side looks okay. Like this side is classic. I believe that I'm missing something about this side here. Beside it's going down left. Then down would be one. Left would be another. Right is one corner more. And down is another corner. There is another side. So there's a bunch of sides over here. But that's accounted by my +1. So I still don't get it. I'm gonna try and look rather than on this. I'm gonna try and take a look at the C's because that's side 1, that's side 2 for this C, that's side 3 for this C. 1, 2, 3, yes, 4, 5, so 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Like, is C even the correct? Day 12, incorrect example, Advent. So am I the only one who had this problem? You don't hear you like connected component analysis, so I put connected component analysis into your connected component analysis so you can compare whatever. You might help a few people to solve this. Yeah, well, no. So what am I miscounting? Like, guys, where am I miscounting? Am I crazy? Am I miscount? I'm gonna try to count in different style just because it might help, to refresh my memory. So this C has two sides. That's okay. Let's start there. Side 1, side 2, side 3, side 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13. See, already should be like 14 here somehow. Advent of Code 2024, day 12. Day 12 example input. Space 12 is not rectangle, there are 4 rows. You copy it below, try it down. No, that's actually page. I mean, I'm tempted to just try it. Because I believe that this, like one way in which I can be certain is use someone else's solution and check and see if it gets. Oh my god. Hmm. Let's retake it. See, perhaps. No, looks good. So still 21. But I count 21. Honestly, I do count 21. Like, I sincerely believe it's 21. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Like, even I am not convinced that this is correct. Okay, time to see. Do I get some... Let's go into the solutions. See if it's a skill issue of mine. Now, my result is 1192. But here it says 12806. Actually, let's give it a try to the input. Too high. Okay. So how I'm wrong. I don't know how. Because I really don't know. Wait, no. Past year. Past month, actually. Like, what am I misreading here? I think I'm gonna do a tour to the bathroom. Perhaps I get some... I'm gonna do a quick bathroom break. In the meantime, perhaps I can understand what's going on. Now, out of my reasoning, out of my bathroom break meditation, I believe that the issue at hand would be this kind of C. Because there should be two over here, and I don't think that those are accounted. So I believe that that's my issue. Now, into the solving of such issue, that would appear. Like, is there any way I can print this out? Yeah, so I hit my I, hit that pesky C. That's good. And I hit that I. Okay, so this algorithm now works. What I should be giving a look is every time that I hit C here. So the if C letter equals C, then print my chord. There you go. So my guy, the 1-8. Should I like what? It starts from 1-8. Okay. So the 1-8, that's one. Good. 2-7. 2-7. The fuck is 2-7? Wait, do I have to add like? Let's try it like that. So 3-10. Got them. 4-9. How the fuck is this even a corner? Was positive. 3-11. What? Counting gibberish over here. 3-9. Yes. 5-9. Yes. 6-11. 11. What? All right, I think I'm counting the corners of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or 7, 8, 9, 12, 11, 13, 14. It is already or plus 2, so what even is a 1-7? I shouldn't even have to deal with a 1-7. 1-7 isn't even in my possibilities. Guess 2-9 and 2-10 are the closest one. Like 1-10 sounds fair, but this should always be like the one thing that I'm passing is my shadow farm, shadow padded farm. Yeah, there's the fences. Oh yeah, so I'm moving around the fences. Fancy. Okay. And instead of doing this, should check on this. Okay. Of course. So 2-8. Isn't even a quarter. 3-9. 1-7. Piece of this C. This C is 7. 7-9. 7-10. Okay, finally I can add 1 for it to be more comfortable. Okay, so that would be a 2-9. Which again, it isn't that great. Because this is a 2-9, so this isn't... Is there a 2-11 at some point? A 3-11? What's a 3-11? Okay, so 7-8-9. Actually, let's print only the edges. At this point, this is what I want. 8. Okay, so this is an edge. Great. 4, 8. I'm gonna order them up. Sort. Kind of sort is that? Okay. You can also, by the way, not like that. Yeah. Okay, so back to the search. Okay. 2, 8. Checks out. 2, 11. Yes. 3, 3, 12. Yes. 3, 11. Oh, so it does get internal corners. Well, color me surprised. Okay. 3, 12. Yes. 5. Okay. 4. 4, 7, 4, 8. This a corner. This a corner. Well, yeah. It does get me all of those corners. So that's not a worry. And I'm so fucked because I can't see it. Absolutely fucked. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, this is very obvious one, like over here. So let's focus on this. So we 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, from 7, it will be a 8 on this side. A 9, 10. Oh, it's a 9, 10. Okay, wait, it's a 9, 10, 11, 12. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 7, 8, 9. There's a 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 22. Wait, I got it. I can count now. Let's draw it out. Maybe that will help. Now we might even be able to. It's kind of hard to draw. But I see there are 3 corners here. And I'm counting only 2. Because this corner gets accounted. This corner should be accounted twice. Which it does. Like, let's see my line 7 situation. Okay, so my line 7 situation, we got how many corners here? So 7, 5. Yeah, 7, 6 and 7, 5 are not relevant. Excuse me, who the fuck is 7, 5? Okay, 7, 5 and 7, 6 are relevant. How about 7, 9 and 7, 9? So that's good because we get twice. That's great. And that's about it. So this is still the corner case that I'm fighting over. Yeah. Because for now, I just check if that kind of structure is here. There's a difference between this and 7, I think. And F, I meant. Yeah, because F isn't fully... Those are still 3. So should... If that's a problem, it should be counted out. Those my guys here. Have some propositions. Okay, so my C and D difference, yes, C, this is the problem, is to have this T-shaped cup, but in this case, this would be a count, right? So my F. Now, if I hit 3, that's okay. Like this counts as 1, but if I understand how to make it count as 2 in my... So my C now is 22. Yeah. And it should be shape based, right? Because yeah, I has one extra corner. F has this extra corner. While C, so let's try to understand the difference. My algorithm will say, hey, this is one extra because I'm gonna have one here. That's one corner. That's one corner. And plus one inside here. Shouldn't count. This shouldn't work, I think. My own algorithm is getting me best. Well, anyway, I should just simply detect these situations, which means I have to check these corners up. If there's not my letter in those two corners, I just add 1 to the count. Very lazy, no one do it. And the corner case would look something like this. Well, at this point, I'm checking everything. And just in this occasion, so if there's... It's very hard to check for. Well, I'm gonna check the 4 corners on the right. Yeah, yeah. And if the 4 corners on the right are Because we know we're in edge case already, so we don't have to check for everything. We just have to check. If I have only two, if I had two different corners, then I add +1. So I'm gonna do like bonus round. I mean, I can reuse the variable because by the end of it, still the same thing. And would be the corners. Now corners are usually, what would this be? 0, 0, some -1, -1, +1, +1. No, this is +1, +1. This is minus, minus. This is minus, plus, and this is plus, minus. Well, whatever. It's gonna be plus, plus, minus, 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 plus, plus. Yeah. So let's go with simple ones. Plus, plus. Minus, minus. Minus, plus, and plus, minus. Okay. Then we're gonna do the count again. Just say let master count. Now if count is more than 2, master count plus equal 1. And if this is, and this is equal to 2, master count plus 1, and I'm just gonna go to master count. This should work nicely. Except it doesn't. I have phase 15 now, which should be 18. She's 29 suddenly. Let's check. Oh wait, I did the corner push. No, corner case it's fine because I still override this. So this should be a function. Honest to God, this should be a function. Okay, so we're short of the C as the last time. That algorithm is not enough. Like, what are the fake cases here? Because I believe that I should hit this only and exclusively once. What's the study for counting the sides? I'm counting the corners. Hello, Momijumaya. I count each corner and see. and simply return that. On most cases, it's fine. I'm dealing with the T-shape edge case. This case here is giving me problem. I solved it for F, but it's different for this time occasion. This is +1 because of how the corner is set up. But I'm not being able to identify it so far. Let's see how many times I'm hitting the C over here. So if letter equals C, of course, to string print hit C. Am I hitting it more than once? Like, I believe I would hit it precisely once. Oh, damn. Oh no, I'm checking everything. That's correct. Then, but I'm hitting this only once, right? So only one of them is an edge case. Correct. Then this should happen only if the count is not. So I can just return 1 over here and return 2. So I don't need to have this cringe as master count. Okay, in this case, it's going to be return 1. Otherwise, we're going to do it like that and put a 2 over here. Rather, return 2. And by default, it's a 0. It should wake it up. Doesn't. Motherfucker. Excuse me, what am I hitting precisely that it's... What is this? How many times I'm hitting C? What the fuck? No, wait, this is the positive one, so it should be, if it's less than so, then return. Wait a second. So I should be checking only, yes, the exit case would be like 0. Then 1 over here and so over there. Nope. Let's calm down for a second. Let's see this through. Now, it used to be like if count is bigger, otherwise 0. That's what it is, like used to be. This was my algorithm. Okay, 112. Now, if the count is bigger, means that I'm in one edge case, then I would want to do this. I'm gonna just put it over here. Instead of returning 1. What's the count counting anyways? The count checks if there's 3 letters around you. Like right now, let's say you are in this case, one which works like 7. Okay, so suppose you're here, because I'm drawing the fence. And when I'm drawing the fence, I'm checking the corners of the fence. But if it happens to be in this situation, I want to check if there are 3 corners to my fence. If I have 3 crops here, I should add 1 because of this situation, because there are going to be there's going to be, you're going to go forward and backwards. So that's what I'm counting. Now I'm trying to count this situation. If I have some corners, if I have only 2 corners, then it should be +1 again. So if count returns 0, so if count like that. Looks better. All right, this is the 2016. Okay. Paste it up. I have a feeling I've already seen this number. Hope not. Too high. Disappointing. Still have some edge cases. Cat, bad output. High. Okay. Echo this. High. Okay. So I still have some edge cases, which I should. So let's get into the source code back. Let's see some edge cases. Day 12. Losing my mind, visualization running. From the output, it looks like there's something odd number of corners which should never happen. Some odd ones. Where do you see the odd ones? Because the first column is the area, and on the right we have the sides. All right, there's a 13 here. That shouldn't happen. The H. Thank you for the spot. You didn't see that. That's interesting. So H. Well, there's a lot of H's. There are some edge cases. If I can see something, let's see if I can get some edge cases. Usually some people post them. Here's some test and edge cases. There you go. This usually helps a ton. So expected 80, I can do that. Expected 4. Expected 436. All right, that's good. Okay, what's happening here? So 1 times 4, that's good, and 21 times 8. So I'm not concerned about the area, but I'm concerned about the, let's print out. That's interesting, structure. Yeah, I think I tested this one already. Used to work once. Oh, right. So my edge casing actually is destroying everything else. Oh, my bad. God damn it, man. Or something is working. So let's fix it one at a time. This should be 400. So I got the 4 X's, which is good. But this guy should have like 4 on the sides. And then 4 internal ones. But because of how my corner gets drawn, I guess that this simply doesn't work. Let's pretty print it out. Yeah, this is a hell of an edge case. I'm going in so deep. Damn. Didn't even occur to me that this is one edge case. I'm guessing I'm keep adding here. Well, I should be in that function, right? There are lots of edge cases. I can work with this. Should be like 4 fences for 1 completed. I'm gonna call it. We'll go like. How do you say? Small pot edge case. Well, I kind of want to do it over here at this point. Kind of want to fix this function and make sure that it will plus me up every time that there's an edge case. Nah, but that would be stupid. Let's get the input. All right. Then by this point, every surrounding function, which I have basically most, right? Those are 4. Those are 4 more. Should wait for the bit 0. Oh, nice. Got them, the bot. Fuck off, bots. Yeah, there are 8k. 9? No, it's 8. I believe it's 8. Would be 3, 6, 8. Yep. So this would be turn 1 for corner in corner case. If letter is not if letter is equal to case, return 0. Let's look at my logic is sound. These are a bunch of A's. And my letter, small pot. Yeah, it's an O. Yeah, actually here I'm not serving the O, I'm saving a fence. Okay. That should be just I mean, I just serve a fence. Fine like that. Wait, I returned 1. This is a solid 4. Is it not? It's for sidelight. $24. What's that even supposed to be? 46. It's not a 4. Well, it should be a 4. First off, did it get played 4 times? Yes. So I'm hitting the 4 times, but I'm not hitting the correct amount of sides. Like, theoretically speaking, these sides are like, what? 4 by each, and 4 in total outside. It would be 4 times, so 16 plus 4, 20, at 24. Why? So it's a 4, it's a 4, it's a 4. Am I hitting too much on the outside? Okay, if I remove my small pot. I'm hitting an 8. Interesting. What is an 8? Looks like a 4 to me. Wait, this is because of this edge detector here. Is my edge detector malfunctioning? Yeah, turns out my edge detector is shit. So that would work now. This still works, great. Now, I know if I reopen this, then that doesn't work. There's a lot of work to do here. Okay, it doesn't work anyway, so... Probably should classify each and every case on its own. Like if this is more than two, just return two and be done with it. So I figure that this should work if I revert it to the back one, right? Like it's a 1 and a 2. We're gonna give it the correct name and run with it. But then I double up. That's the problem. Still doesn't work. Interesting. So it's a 4x4. Yes, I expect that to work. It's a 4x4. I expect that to work. These are 10 sides by his account. Well, by the way, this is also my big edge case that was working born before, so that's gonna serve me greatly. And that would be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes, I'm missing 2, which by the way is this lovely algorithm, which I'm gonna call triple edge case. Just triple edge. Gonna pick everything up, dump it here. So if count is actually 2, yeah, but see the matter is I should be only triple edging when I know that I'm an edge. And I know that I'm an edge only when I do this. What's going on if I do this? That still stays 10. Interesting. That's the correct one over here is 3. Or rather that would be 12, right? Because it's Python here. 16 plus 16 plus 16 plus 16 will be 32. So 2 divided by 17 doesn't work out. No, 204. Okay, 12. Yeah, 12 is the one they want. Which means I have to make this work. Did I reset the count? Yes, I did. So should debug the count. Never hit, right? Never does. I can remove the pretty print because by the end of the day, I don't need it now. Okay, so 17 and 10. In this case, I'm never hitting the correct amount, which means that I'm not pushing. Let's see what I'm pushing there. I think a bunch of E's. Okay, no, I do need the prints. I think 4 E's. 3, I think so. Wait, by the way, I'm eating 8 E's. This doesn't get reset. No? Still 8. How it is 8? Excuse me, Matt. What? Oh, right, I'm running it twice. Both times I get 4 E's. Peculiar. So my letter, I know it's... My letter, it's an E. Wait a minute. Shouldn't be an E. Should be a... No, it's okay, that's an E. But the problem is, where is this E? Precisely. Am I changing anything there? No, I don't. Pause. Farm core.0 core.1 also pretty print the farm. Actually, now that I think about it, I guess I care about the symbol that I already know, so that's not the deal. The deal that I care about is the coordinate. So debug coord. Okay, run it up. Okay, so the pretty gives me what I know, it's fine. That's 3, 3, so 0, 1, 2, and 3. Sounds good. And shouldn't my letter be... Instead of trying letter, what if I just try this? Alright, there are 4 E's. Yeah, now I see it. That's also an edge case. So 4 E's, I'm in a corner, so still... Well, I can make an OR, so that should work. Like OR count equals 4. Kinda cringe, but doesn't work. The fuck does count equals to? Wait. I am dumb as fuck. No, 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 no. This is not how it works. Oh, my bad. Okay. Let's see that I didn't break any stuff. This should, by the way, also fix that problem, I think. Maybe. Perhaps. Yeah, this overshoots because now I am accounting for it. So edge. To 68. God damn it. Oh yes, because it could be 4 and it could be that. Well, in that case, can't I? Like if 2 should return 2, if therefore I could reuse my small pot edge. Like I could return. Okay, I see where the conflict is. Well, then that means that my small pot can just return 2 instead of 4. Yeah. Okay. I think I'm getting... The solution is getting stupider by the minute. So this works. This adjusted, it worked. Great. Works. I'm afraid of this. Miraculously. $12.06, yeah. God damn it. Back to square one. Dude, there's so many. Just out of curiosity. Because I don't think I'm finishing this up today. Yeah, there's still some way to go. So my edge cases are not done. Well, guys, this has been absolutely not fun. I hated this today, so... But I have to go and definitely do some houseworks. Sunday sucks, don't they? And I'm gonna see if there's anyone who's adventing of God with as me right now. And catch you tomorrow morning. I don't see the name. Where's the name? This is only me. So damn. Is this guy doing anything? Starting soon. Yeah. Also, there's no friend of mine anywhere. Well, I'll just trade someone. Honestly, just someone. Yeah, like this guy. Puro Gurama. But thank you for watching, guys. It's been wonderful today. I will see whoever wants to come in tomorrow. And bye.